Many gardeners spend a lot of money on fertilizers, raised beds, and soil improvements without realizing that some of the best gardening solutions can be made from materials they already have at home. By reusing old items and working with nature, you can improve your garden, reduce waste, and save money at the same time. Today, we will look at 2 practical gardening methods that turn unwanted materials into valuable resources and help create a more productive garden. Method 1. Homemade underground worm feeding system. A simple underground worm feeding system can provide nutrients directly to your plants while turning kitchen scraps into rich organic matter. It gives earthworms a reliable food source and encourages them to stay in your garden, where they naturally improve soil structure and fertility. To build this system, you need 2 long pieces of pipe, a T-shaped connector, and a short pipe for the feeding tube. Drill holes throughout the 2 long pipes, so worms can move in and out easily. Once the holes are made, connect the pipes to the T-joint and attach the short pipe to the top opening. This upper section will remain above ground and act as the feeding point. Choose a location close to the plants that need extra nutrition. Bury the perforated pipes in the root zone, leaving only the feeding tube visible above the soil surface. Add chopped kitchen scraps, such as fruit peels and vegetable trimmings, through the feeding tube. Smaller pieces break down faster and are easier for worms to consume. Use a stick to spread the scraps into both side pipes. To speed up decomposition, add a little compost. Over time, worms will enter through the holes, consume the scraps, and leave behind nutrient-rich castings. These nutrients gradually spread into the surrounding soil, creating a natural feeding system that continuously supports healthy plant growth. Refill the soil around the structure and press it down gently to keep everything secure, and pour in some water to keep the environment moist. Method 2. raised garden bed from recycled water tank pieces. Old water tanks that can no longer hold liquids can still be turned into useful raised garden beds. Instead of throwing damaged plastic away, you can give it a second life in the garden while creating additional growing space for vegetables, herbs, flowers, or small fruit trees. Start by selecting suitable pieces from the broken tank. The main container piece should have plenty of drainage holes in the bottom to prevent water from collecting around plant roots. Proper drainage is essential because standing water can cause roots to rot and weaken plant growth. Smaller open pieces usually do not require any extra preparation because water can drain through them naturally. Next, choose a location that receives at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight each day. Since these containers become very heavy once filled with soil and water, it is important to place them in their final position before beginning. In very hot climates, a location with morning sun and some afternoon shade can also work well. Fill the containers with good quality soil. If your soil is poor, improve it by mixing in compost, aged manure, dried leaves, or other organic materials. These additions help increase fertility and create better growing conditions for plants.
Aquí center.
Once the containers are filled, thoroughly water the entire bed. This helps settle the soil, remove large air pockets, and prepare the bed for planting. After the soil has settled properly, the raised bed is ready for seeds, seedlings, or young plants. These two simple projects show how recycled materials can be transformed into valuable gardening tools. One creates a natural underground feeding station powered by worms, while the other turns unwanted plastic into productive growing space. Together, they help improve soil health, reduce waste, and make gardening more sustainable and affordable. Number 3, Orange Peel Bioenzyme Spray. In this video, we will make a powerful bioenzyme that not only nourishes your plants, but also strengthens them against diseases. The key ingredient for this bioenzyme is orange peels. Instead of throwing them away, we will turn them into a nutrient-rich powder that plants love. The first step is drying the orange peels thoroughly. This can be done in sunlight, with a dehydrator, or even by air drying indoors. Once all the moisture is gone, grind the dry peels into a fine powder using a blender. This powder contains natural acids and essential plant compounds that support strong growth and pest resistance. Now take a clean container and pour in 2 liters of non-chlorinated or rainwater. If you only have tap water, let it sit uncovered for 24 hours to remove chlorine. Add 6 tablespoons of the orange peel powder. And 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. The sugar speeds up fermentation and boosts microbial activity. Stir everything well. Cover loosely and let it ferment for 2 weeks. Stir the mixture every 2 to 3 days to help release gases and break down the materials evenly. After fermentation, strain the mixture into 10 liters of clean water to extract the usable enzyme. You can now use this as a spray or root drench. For spraying, fill a bottle and apply to the leaves, stems, and topsoil to feed plants and deter pests. For soil feeding, pour it directly at the base of the plant to nourish the roots and improve microbial life. This bioenzyme helps plants resist disease, recover from stress, and grow healthier without chemicals. Use regularly for visible improvement in plant vitality, reduced pests, and stronger roots. It's a safe, zero-waste solution for any gardener. And that's how simple kitchen waste can be transformed into powerful, natural fertilizers for your garden.